Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Chevy Impala battery easy method. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Remove hold-down clamp and lift out the old battery. Clean terminals and tray, set the new battery in place, secure the clamp, reconnect positive then negative, and verify startup and accessories. You will need a wrench or socket set, battery terminal puller if available, baking soda and water, a wire brush, and a new replacement battery rated for your vehicle. Always wear gloves and eye protection and avoid sparks near the battery. Before removing the battery, test voltage with a multimeter and note any error codes on the dash. Label cables and take photos to ensure correct reconnection for safety. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car guides. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during projects with the Owala water bottle seen here for reliable sipping on the go. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold. Check the description for the link and current deals on the bottle and other useful tools. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When installing, place the new battery with terminals oriented correctly and lower it into the tray carefully. Reattach the hold-down clamp snugly, but do not over-tighten. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Coat terminals with a thin layer of dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Start the vehicle and observe charging voltage, check lights and radio, and clear any stored codes using an OBD2 scanner if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.